you are basically a passive investor in somebody else's deal, which makes you an investment company. You're sort of a passive investment company, not actively involved. You're just a passive investment company, which subjects you potentially to the Investment Companies Act of 1940. You really don't want to be categorized as an investment company, an official investment company, because now you've got to comply, register with the Investment Companies Act, which has a ton of regulatory compliance that you really, if you can avoid it, you want no part of. And the easiest way to get around and be exempt from the Investment Companies Act is to be what's called the 3C1, which is just a statute, 3C1 entity, which means you have less than 100 investors. Now, you want to be careful once you get close to that 100 mark, because what constitutes an investor gets a little bit tricky and complicated. So once you get up to that 60, 70, 80 number, you may want to start talking to your securities attorney to make sure you're not, you want to just be sure that you are counting your investors correctly. But that's the other checklist or question you want to ask yourself.